Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to download and install Java JDK and Android SDK Manager in your PC. If you like to watch more and more interesting and valuable videos, subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. So let's go to the video. To download Java JDK file, first open Google and type Java JDK free download, then click first search result and go to oracle.com. In this website there are a lot of Java versions. Today we are going to download latest version, Java SE 14. By clicking JDK download link, you can download JDK file easily, but before download you have to select your OS and bit version correctly. It will take several time. So now I'm going to download the SDK tools. For that I have to go to developer.android.com. SDK tool packages are under the command line tools. Select your package according to your OS platform. Then click the link to download. Now my Java JDK file and Android SDK Manager file downloaded. Now let's see how to install Java JDK. First find the downloaded JDK file and run as administrator. Then follow these steps. Then go to Disk C, Program Files, Java JDK 14 folder, bin folder, then copy the path. Then go to Control Panel, System and Security, and go to System. Then go to Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Then add new under System Variables. Put variable name as path, and paste the copied path under the variable value. Then click OK in all folders and close all. Then open command prompt and type Java space _n version. Then you can see the Java version. Let's see how to install Android SDK tools now. Find the Android SDK tools downloaded zip file. Then extract it. And copy the extract folder into the disk C. Now you can enjoy your Android Studio with these SDK tools. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you got something from this video, don't forget to give us a like and share with your friends. If you like to watch more and more interesting and valuable videos like these, subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. See you on our next video. Stay safe and be happy.